Out here, we'll try to read the hand of Robert Mugabe, the Zimbabwean Prime Minister, and later he was President. And we find here that he was born on 1924, and year was his turning period when he entered politics. So, uh, so after the age of 35, uh, uh, he basically turned to politics, and before that he was teaching. So we see here that he was teaching in the early period of his life. So we just see his hand out here. We find here that the headline, this is the headline, it is moving upwards, and it's pointing more towards the finger of Mercury. Mercury is basically for communication, technical skills, business skills, oratory skills. All these skills basically come from Mercury. We also find here that this is the headline, and there's another headline which is coming from inside, pointing from inside the Mount of Mars. This is the Mount of Aggression. So we find here that in the initial years of his life, he was teaching, and the mount for teaching is Mount of Mercury. And Mercury Mount basically makes a person more technical, good at communication, or good at oratory skills. All these skills basically come from the Mount of Mercury. And sometimes even the journalists, they have this line which moves upwards towards the Mount of Mercury. Sometimes it's businessmen, sometimes it's like if a chess player also, he has his the headline, either the main line going upwards, or if the lines are like this, it moves upwards. A branch like thing might move upwards. So basically they use more of mental faculty, and it is their strength. So the other part is how we see the age. This is the money line, and this is the headline. We see two headlines, one this, other is, and the money line is moving upwards, and this is the heart line. So this age on the headline we consider as age 35. So you find here that the headline is making a major turn, and it's changing totally. So we find here that some major change might have happened at the age of 35. Probably that's the time when he turned to politics, and it was a landmark year for him. Before that, he was teaching, and we see from one of the pages out here, Mugabe mother could not afford tuition fees. He was, and part of them began teaching at an old school that earning just $2. In 1944, Gabriel returned to Kotoma, and this teaching career lasted till 1960. So that year he turned 36. So that is a landmark year for him. We also find here that that he has got a good Mercury line. This is a Mercury line which moves upwards. It is kind of very stable, which gives him good technical and communication skills. We also find here that probably this is a supporting lifeline. This is the lifeline, and this is the supporting lifeline. Supporting lifelines are good, are considered to be good. It means that the person would have some kind of moral, physical, or financial support during the time the line lasts. This headline also has got a special significance. It means that because it's originating or pointing towards the Mount of Mars, it means there might have been aggression, and during his tenure, we see many a times he became really revolutionary, and he wanted the white people to give up their land and it be distributed between all the black people. When in 2000 things didn't turn in his and like it was people, the equal distribution was not happening, he said that it should be taken by force. So the force basically comes from this particular area, the area of Mars. Aggression and force basically comes from this particular area. So because the headline is coming from here, so this kind of mental outlook remains with this particular person all throughout his life, especially after the age of 35. We also find here that the heartline is starting under the Mount of Saturn, indicating him to be cautious, materialistic, and hard work and responsible towards people he cared about. The heartline is not so distinct or clear. It has few branches out here. So attachments in his life. The hand image is not so clear, so I wouldn't be able to comment much. There are few branch-like lines out here which is joining into the main money line. So a foreign association or after marriage things might have turned in his favor. And that's it for this particular reading. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe and keep watching my videos. Thank you.